scientists who are making a real difference.
Moseley Bog in Birmingham, inspiration for talking and also inspiration for a team of volunteers from across the city who've come here to check out the health of the water.
We've got various pressures in Birmingham that are impacting our rivers, such as straightening channels, taking too much water out, putting too much water in below dams, for example, as well as introducing a cocktail of pollutants within our rivers. So essentially our biodiversity is nowhere near what it should be.
This project is trying to change that. Volunteers across the city have now taken more than 100 separate samples from rivers, streams and, yes, bogs in Birmingham. The results are surprising, but also important.
Trying to learn the names of the different things, the creatures that move around, and knowing that that's underneath your Wellington boots when you're litter picking in the brook.
These days, with lack of government funding for environmental monitoring, it's becoming more important that volunteers are doing it.
Still, there is some good news, at least at the moment, on the pollution front. Of course, recently the weather has been pretty dry here in the Midlands, but that might actually be good news for a little brook like this, at least in the short term, because heavy winter rainfall can sweep in a lot of pollution to streams and rivers like this, and that's not great news for local wildlife. So a dry spell can actually mean less pollution, but when there is a pollution problem, having so many volunteers tracking and sampling the water means we can spot it much earlier.
Absolutely, yeah, and that's why our wonderful volunteer groups are so important, because we have it in sheer numbers where we can go out, we can take surveys and we can report issues which we can then flag to people like the Environment Agency and Severn Trent.
Birmingham's bogs, streams and rivers appreciated and protected by a dedicated team of volunteers. David Gregory Komar, BBC Midlands Today, Moseley Bog.
Right, it's time to take a look at today's weather now. A little bit cooler. Any chance of any milder weather on the way, Sinead?
Oh, it is becoming milder actually, Nicola, but today temperatures have been slightly up because our sunshine is back and I for one am pleased to see it. Although that said, I've got to temper my enthusiasm because rain has been sadly lacking. Take a look at our figures. This is how much rain we've had so far this month compared to the average at this point in the month, and you can see it's really low, hardly anything at all. But we have got more rain on the way, and this is through the Easter bank holiday weekend. Some on Good Friday and some hefty showers through bank holiday Monday as well, and that rain will be clearing slowly on Saturday. So actually Easter itself on Sunday should be dry. And at the moment we've got a ridge of high pressure that's with us, which is keeping things mostly dry through this afternoon as well. But you can see we've just got a slight peppering of showers here and there, mostly light affairs, but lots of dry weather around. And after this sunny start to the day, we've got a bit of cloud bubbling up through the afternoon, but our temperatures are higher than yesterday's values, and we've got lighter winds as well. So temperatures up to 15 Celsius with those lighter winds should feel quite pleasant out there if you're in the sunshine as well. And then through tonight, well, the cloud is gradually going to be building from the southwest with an area of low pressure moving in from that direction, but it's largely dry and temperatures up to or down to about 4 or 5 tomorrow, turning wetter from the southwest.
Okay, Chef, thank you very much. And Nick Owen will be here with Midlands Today at 6:30, so do join him then. But from everybody on the lunchtime team, we'll see you later. It's back to Lewis. It's all for now.